Hi, open up Google and search up Node.js and click on the first link. You will have two options to download, the LTS and the current version. The current is the newest and the LTS is the most stable one. We'll go for the stable one. After the download is done, we open the program and install. Next, if you want you can read. Agree, next. Leave that as default, next. Default, next. Next. Install. So we're gonna wait for the install to finish. Okay, the installation is done. Now we'll check if the installation is done by opening the command prompt and typing node version. If you get the output like this, it means your node has been installed successfully. Now for your React part, make a new folder and give it some name like React Projects to keep things neat. So now we need to make the command prompt point to our project directory. So I'm going to use the cd command to my desktop and React Projects. Now for those of you who are new to this and have no idea what I've just done, you can just open the folder, copy, and then paste. It does the same thing. Now we need to tell React to make our boilerplate project files by using npx create react app and then give the name of your project. Now here I suggest using all small letters and the dash. That's it. Don't use anything else. Lowercase letters. If they ask for any permissions, yes, allow everything. And now after the installation is done, we can see the files created by React by opening up the folder. And these are the files created by React, and this is what we're going to use to do our code. So to do this, you'll need Visual Studio Code, okay, and in the command prompt type code dot in the directory where you have your React project made using cd and then code dot. It's now the Visual Studio Code will run. Allow any kind of permissions they're asking you, just allow them. It's all fine. We're not going to need that, we're not going to need that, and this is your project. This source folder is where you'll be doing most of your code, I'd say. Now open up the terminal using the control and the backtick, which is behind the one key on your keyboard, and type npm start to actually run the project. So when React makes a project, it already gives you a sample web page which you can execute and look at. Allow give the access, and now if you notice, your web browser will open up automatically, and here's your web page. This is what React has made. Yes, React has put its own code to make this web page for you to see. Let's change up something, right? So here behind the public, we have an index.html. This index.html points to the index.js. And if you see here, JS points to app and it tells React to render. So we're telling whatever is in app to render it. So now let's go to app, and here is the code which React has put. The page we just saw is this code. So let's remove this and say hello world. and run this. Now if I go to my web page, you'll see that hello world. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.